What's the meaning of access course? Access course. Access course. Access course. Access course. Access course. An access course is a type of higher education course that is designed to help students who do not have the traditional qualifications to enter university. Access courses typically cover a range of subjects, such as English, maths, and study skills, and they can last anywhere from 1 to 2 years. Access courses are a great option for students who want to go to university but who may not have the grades or experience required to get in directly. Here are some of the benefits of taking an access course. You will have the opportunity to improve your academic skills and knowledge. You will learn how to study effectively at university level. You will make new friends and connections with other students who are also interested in higher education. You will get support and guidance from experienced tutors. You will be well prepared for the transition to university life. If you are thinking about going to university, but you are not sure if you have the right qualifications, then an access course could be the right choice for you.